Hello everyone. Now that we have installed the editor and compiler for LaTeX, let's begin with typesetting our first LaTeX document. Let's look at the structure of a LaTeX document. The source file of LaTeX contains both text and commands. LaTeX file should start with the command \document class. This command declares the type of the document and also some options which are optional. The LaTeX source file has the following basic structure. It consists of the preamble and the body. Everything that is between \document class and before \begin document is called the preamble. And everything in the document environment that is between the commands of \begin document and \end document is called the body. The preamble. This is where you tell LaTeX how you want your document to be handled. Whether you're typing a book, you're writing an article, how much margins that you want. The LaTeX packages and document settings can be declared between the commands \document class and \begin document. The visible part of the finally generated document lies between the commands \begin document and \end document. We can have the document class as article, report, book, letter, or a beamer. We use beamer as a document class when we are making a presentation. We can also specify class options to the document class command by enclosing them in square brackets. To specify more than one command, we separate them by commas. So let's start with writing our first LaTeX document. Let's write the source code for a new LaTeX document. So I am using Text Studio as my editor. Let's open a new page. So the first line whenever we are writing the source code for a LaTeX document is \document class. So here I am writing a small article. So I'll use my class as article. If you are making a presentation, you will use the class as beamer. Let's write down the body of our source code. So \begin document, and we'll close it with \end document. So let's write something, hello world. So now that my basic LaTeX document is ready, I need to compile it. So one way of compiling it is that I'll go to tools, I'll go to commands, I'll press LaTeX. That is going to compile my source code and it will generate a DVI file. Again, I'll go to tools, I'll go to commands, and I'll go to DVI to PDF, which is going to convert my DVI file into a PDF file. Again, I'll go to tools, go to commands, and I'll press on view PDF. So that is going to show the output to me. This is how the output is going to appear. The document is going to appear. But this is a very long process. So can I shorten it? Yes, there are certain keys on the keyboard that we can press that is going to directly compile my source code and show me the output. So if you can see on the keyboard, there is the key F6. When I press F6, it's going to compile my source code. And the key F1, that is going to compile as well as it will show me the output. Also, in case of Text Studio, there is this double play button on the screen. So if I press on this double play button, it's going to compile as well as it will show me the output. And if I'll just press on the play button, it is going to compile. So let's build and compile, that is build and view. So this is the final output. Next, we will discuss how to generate a title page. So in order to generate a title page, we use the commands \title within curly braces we write down the title, then backslash author. Again within curly braces we can write the name of the author, backslash institute. Within curly braces we are going to write the name of the institute and backslash date and followed by curly braces. So if we do not mention backslash date curly braces, so it's going to automatically take the current date. Else, it will take the date that is mentioned within these curly braces. Also, we can mention the date within curly braces using the command backslash today. Generate a basic LaTeX document with a title. So we'll start with a new document. The first line is going to be document class. Now since I am writing an article, I will use the class as article. Now this will be followed by the title, so that will be in the preamble of my source code. So backslash title, say my documents. Then it will be followed by the author's name, backslash author, followed by the date, so backslash date. I can mention it as backslash today, so that is going to make the today's date appear in my document. Or I can specify my date, say 25th of May 2020. Once this is done, let's start with the body of our LaTeX source code. So backslash begin document. Now if I have to generate the title for my document, so the first command has to be backslash make title, followed by, let's write something here. So this is a sample document. So let's build and view this source code. So this is how the output is going to appear. The title is my document, followed by the author's name, followed by date, and then the text of the document comes. A few things to note. We can mention multiple authors by separating them by backslash and. Backslash date is optional, and if the date is omitted, then LaTeX applies with the current date. So now you can generate a small LaTeX document. Thank you.